Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to the science class. I am your teacher Miss Hina Akhter. Look at the flowers. Rose, peony, orchids, snowdrops, calendula, aster, tulips, bluebell, sunflower, jasmine, daisy and iris. The plants which grow flowers, they use seeds to make more plants. This is a very large group of plants. The seeds of flowering plants are enclosed in fruits or flowers and are called angiosperms. Flowering plants are further divided into two main groups on the basis of their seed structure. To understand this, you have to study the structure of a seed. A seed consists of three main parts. The seed coat is the outer covering of the seed that protects its internal structure from injury and drying out. The cotyledon is the plant's food supply. It surrounds the growing embryo and provides food for it. Cotyledons are leaf-like structures. Cotyledons are also called seed leaves. The embryo or baby plant grows into a new plant when the conditions are right. There are some non-flowering plants. They don't grow flowers. They use either seeds or spores to reproduce. They have cones with seeds and leaves are called needle, like this. Some of them are seedless plants like fern, horsetail, moss. Mushrooms, cycads. Some of them are seed-bearing plants like conifers, but their seeds are not enclosed in fruits or flowers, so they are called naked seed plants or gymnosperms. Some examples of gymnosperms are spruce and pine tree.